Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for your support, and please remember to like my videos and leave a comment down below. So in this video I will be making some curry chicken. Stay tuned to see how I do it the Lattybless way. So guys, I have here 2 pounds of chicken, and the chicken has already been cleaned and washed. I washed it in some vinegar, and they are cut in medium-sized pieces. All right, so I have here all my ingredients that I'll be needing in this recipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasonings to the already cut chicken. So first I'm going to add some thyme. Then I add my Scotch bonnet. Adding some onions and some garlic. I'm going to add some Eskelion. And then I am going to now add the powdered seasonings. So right here I have some all-purpose, and I'm just going to use about 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. Then I am going to be adding some Jamaican jerk seasoning. So the Jamaican jerk seasoning consists of different types of powdered seasonings and spices. All right, next I am going to add just about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm not adding too much salt because this powdered seasonings consist of salt. All right, so just about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add some curry to it. All right, and I'm just going to use about 1 tablespoon of curry. That should be enough because I will be burning some curry otherwise. Now this is Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, another type of Jamaican jerk season, and I'm going to add just a little bit, 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. So I'm clearing the area, and now I'm just going to stir and to ensure that the seasoning is spread evenly throughout the chicken, throughout the pieces of chicken. All right, so I'm just stirring to ensure that the chicken marinate properly. So I am going to add some more curry to it, just a little bit more. And then I'm going to continue to combine the chicken with the seasoning. So now I'm just going to cover and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes before cook time. So here I have preheated my pot, and I have added some vegetable oil to it. And now I am just going to add the remaining seasonings. Okay, I'm adding some scallion along with some garlic. Next I'm adding some curry, 1 teaspoon of curry, and I'm just going to allow this to burn along with the scallion and the garlic. so that the chicken will have a nice flavor and color. Okay guys, so it's now time for me to add the chicken. So I'm just going to use my hand to place the chicken in the pot, and I am going to ensure that I spread the chicken evenly around the pot so that each piece of chicken can get a nice color from the curry that has been burnt. Alright, so I'm just going to allow the chicken to sit here in the pot for about 3 minutes before covering so that it can get the color of the curry. Alright, this is what it looks like guys after 3 minutes. I am just checking back on the pot, and as you can see, it is looking really lovely. The curry gives it a very nice color, and what I am going to do now, I'm just going to cover the pot and allow the chicken to sweat so it will make its own water. Alright, so I'm going to cover and then we'll check back. I am back and I am checking on the chicken to see how it's doing, and remember that I did not add any water. I just covered and allowed the chicken to sweat, and as you can see, the chicken had made so much water on its own. So I'm going to stir, just give it a little stir, and then I am going to cover it again and give it this is what my curry chicken is looking like after 5 minutes. I'm adding half cup of water, then I am going to just cover it again so that it can continue cooking. Now I'm going to add some Irish, and you can add sweet pepper to this. You can add your carrots, but for today I am just going to add Irish. Alright, so I'm going to cover the pot again so that the Irish potatoes can cook, and then I'll come back to check on it. So the curry is coming on quite nicely. As you can see, it has a very bright and lovely color, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add 1 cup of water to it so that we can make some gravy. Alright, so this is the last time I'm adding water, and I'm just going to cover so that we can get some gravy and we can eat. And it's almost there. We're almost down to the gravy. It just needs to go down a little bit more. About the next minute, I should be able to turn off the flame and it will be ready to serve. Here we are guys, this is my curry chicken, already nice gravy. It is looking lovely, it smells pretty great, and I just can't wait to taste it. And this is what it looks like on a plate. Curry chicken done the Lattybless way, served with dumplings, green bananas, sweet potato pumpkin, and avocado pear. Thank you for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that button and turn on your post notification bell.